Hello everyone, it's Jeannie Marie. Welcome to my channel. And I'm going to attempt another reverse dip with paper towel. This time I'm using a black background. It is a 10 by 10 canvas. I have already placed my painter's tape on the back and I have my push pins. I used black base paint with only Floetrol and a little bit of water, no silicone. And the colors I'm using is going to be the Master's Touch Yellow Medium and Master's Touch Light Magenta. And I'll be putting pink and maybe a little white in between some of the color. And then I'll put also the green mixture that I've had in my last couple videos that I made, which is basically folk art. It is the Peridot that's mixed up. These are mixed up. I have mixed them up a little thicker. As you can see, it's a little thicker. I'm hoping that's okay. So, let's get started. Let me see if you can see okay. Move some of these out of the way a little bit without causing a problem. There you go. Alright, so we have our black paint on there, and we are going to start. Oops, I'm afraid of that. Alright, so we're going to put the yellow here, and here. As you can see, I need to make them a little thick. Sorry, I'm not talking much, just trying to concentrate, make sure I do the best I can do, because I'm really wanting this to turn out. I hope. A little bit more of that. And that one. Another drop. Okay, maybe a little bit more still. Right there. And now I'm going to do the middle row, like in between each one. There. Here. There. I feel like I'm missing a dot there. I'm not sure if I messed up or not. Alright, now I think I am going to do a little bit of the black, the same black that I used for the base. I'm going to put it right here. Yep, come on. Okay. Now, try and decide. Yes, I'm going to do another yellow. Here. Here. Right on top of these. And here. And I'm going to go around the middle too. I'm not quite putting quite as big of a drop on the ones in the middle as I did with the ones on the outer skirts. Whoops! That's where you wear gloves and painter's smocks and aprons. Alright, I'm going to do the black again. Whoops. More. 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 A little bit more here, here. Alright, whoops. Yep, that's good. Now, I'm going to do another yellow on the outside. Let's see, let me get some of that yellow I made a mess with over here. Alright. A little bit more yellow. Hope this comes out pretty. I think the black back, I think they both look good, the white and the black, but for some reason, to me anyway, the black background just seems to stand out so gorgeous if it comes out right. I hope it does come out right. A little bit on that one more. Here. And there. Alright, now what I'm going to do is put the light magenta right here in between each one. And then between each one here as well. And then a drop of black. Where are you? Here. Probably have too much black. We'll find out though. And now, I'm going to do another yellow. Right on top of the pink. We'll see what and the black. We'll see what we get. Just right there. Right there. Whoa, that was a big plop. And so is that. Alright, a little bit more here, and here, and here. Alright. Alrighty, let's see how this is going to come out. And then a little bit of the green. We're just going to put it like here. And here. 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 Oop, that's a lot right there. Oop, there we go again. Alright. Now, one here. One here. I think that's it for the green. However, I might go ahead, throw a little bit more black there. Oops. Right on the green. Here. And here. Right there. Oops. And now I'm going to do one more green. And same peridot here. Almost there. That should be good. Alright. We will see what we can do now. So, let's move this back. Get our paper towels wet. Say a little prayer. And hopefully we'll get a pretty yellow flower on a black background. Alright, spraying my paper towel, water. A little bit on the side. Pretty damp, just to make sure. Okay. Alright. Let's do it. Ready? Set. Pray. Here we go. Alright. Just right. There. Not quite even. Hopefully I can pull it up right. I got it wet enough here. Feels pretty wet. Yes, it is. I'm really anxious for this one. I'm praying it comes out, because I think it'll be pretty if it does. I like that bright, vivid yellow with the green. Alright, before I sog up too much paint, let's do it. Corner. 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 And straight up. Oh, no, I like that. I so like that. I'm dabbing my photo paper. Might as well not waste it. As long as I don't get mud. That should be good enough. Alright, let me throw this away. Okay. Well, I don't want to mess with it. I really like it. I think it came out pretty compared to what might normally come out like. So I'm going to leave it alone this time. Very pretty. Could have used a little bit more paint, even yet. But it's pretty. I don't know whether to blow it or not. Should I? I'm probably saying, stop. I want to blow it a little. Yeah. Oh yes, very pretty. I don't know. I don't know if I should have left it or not, but it's pretty. Okay, I'm going to leave it just like that. I love that. It's very pretty. Here we go again. Give you a better view. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. And thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the little bell in case you want to be notified of any additional videos that I post. And again, thank you to all my subscribers. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon.